Oh. Hey YouTube, this is me and my friend Jacob. Sup? And well, look at this. This is something we made. Well,
Isn't that cool, man?
Yeah. Look at this. This is
made out of nature.
Yeah, we just made this like 30 minutes ago, and
this is
that's
stick.
weed. That's a stick right there. We didn't buy this. We seriously made it.
Yeah, we did not buy this.
We found this stick, and then we started pulling weeds and wrapping around it. And we found this like black stone thing, and we broke it.
Our other friend, he
chucked it at another stone, and it broke like this, and it looks awesome. It's like
it's like the coolest thing we
ever
made.
So yeah,
and it was really hard.
It was pretty hard. It took us like a half hour to make, and well, hope you liked this.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.